Anmol Classes welcomes you. In the previous video of Python Programming Lab for B.Tech second year first semester JNTU-H for Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning students, we have seen 8 experiments. Today we are going for the 9th one. It is write a Python program to convert temperature to and from Celsius Fahrenheit. Formula C/5 is equal to F minus 32/9. So when we are going for writing the program, here we can go for two different ways. In the first way, we will keep the Celsius, we'll put some figure for the Celsius and we'll try to find what the Fahrenheit is. The second way of writing this program is to make the Celsius user defined. So when anybody is running this program, it will be asking that enter the Celsius value, then the user will be entering the Celsius value. It will calculate its equivalent Fahrenheit. So we will see both the programs, how we can proceed. So you just see the programming part. It is starting with hash. Hash means your comments line. It is experiment number 9. That is write a Python program to convert temperature to and from Celsius Fahrenheit. Formula C/5 is equal to F minus 32/9. So what we'll be doing, as this is comment line, the compiler will just escape this one and it will start executing from the second line. So here Celsius is equal to 37.5. So in the program we have entered the Celsius value. Now Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius into 1.8 bracket close plus 32. So whatever the value of Celsius that we have entered here, this value will be taken here and it will be calculated and we'll be getting the Fahrenheit. Finally print percentage 0.1 F degree Celsius is equal to percentage 0.1 F degree Fahrenheit percentage Celsius comma Fahrenheit. So here if you are seeing percentage 0.1 F, F is for float. Float means the whatever the value will be, the value will be having the decimal in it. And how much decimal value? So here as we have written 0.1, so it will be up to 1 decimal places. Now if instead of 0.1, if we are writing 0.2 or 0.3, so it will be giving the value up to 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places. And say whatever is there that is written in this column, so percentage 0.1 F degree Celsius. So whatever this value that we have assigned to the degree Celsius will be written as it is equal to percentage 0.1 F degree Fahrenheit. So whatever the calculated value of Fahrenheit will be there, that value will be entered here. So in first it will be taking the value of Celsius, in second it will be taking the value of Fahrenheit. Now let us try to run this program. So when we are running this program, at the output you see 37.5 degrees Celsius is equal to 99.5 degree Fahrenheit. This 37.5, it is the value that we have assigned to the Celsius, and 99.5, this is the value that is calculated from this equation, that is Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius into 1.8 bracket close plus 32. Now in this what I will be doing, that instead of 0.1 F, let me write it as 0.1 2 F degree Celsius is equal to 0.2 F degree Fahrenheit. So now if I will be executing this one, you will be seeing that the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit will be up to 2 decimal places. Let us try to execute this one. So you see 37.50 degree Celsius is equal to 99.50 degree Fahrenheit. So 2 decimal places. So here we are having 0.2. So this is for your this Celsius, and here we are having 0.2 F. This is for this Fahrenheit. So one more change we can do, that instead of having our own Celsius, we can make it user defined. Now how to make it user defined? So you see that we have made this as a comment line. Now the program will be running from your this third line. Celsius is equal to float input entered Celsius value. Float means whatever the value that will be entering, it will be having a decimal, or it can accept the decimal values. So enter the Celsius value. So when we will be executing this program, directly it will be asking that enter the Celsius value. So when it will be asking to enter the Celsius value, it is the user defined. Celsius value will be user defined. And if you are seeing the previously we are having just one value, that is what the programmer has written, only that value we are having. So let us now run this program. Now when we are running this, it is asking enter Celsius value. Now this Celsius value is user defined. So what I will be doing, I will be just entering say 0 as Celsius. Now you see 0.01 degree Celsius is equal to 32.0 degree Fahrenheit. Say if I am writing the same whatever we have earlier, we have written 37.5. Now let me write 37.5, and when I am running, it will be seeing that 37.5 degree Celsius is equal to 99.5 degree Fahrenheit. So we can either go for the first method, or we can go for the second method. We can use any one of the method for writing this program. In the next video, we'll be going for your experiment number 10. Thank you.